guys, Namaskar, I'm Ronit and welcome back to my channel Rainbow Reactions. Today I'm going to react to the songs from the movie Main Wapas Aaunga. This is directed by Imtiaz Ali and this stars Vedang Raina, Sharwari and Diljit Dosanjh. The first song is Mascara. This is produced and arranged by Rahman Sir. Lyrics are by Irshad Kamil and sung by Nilanjana Ghosh Dostidar and Vedang Raina himself. I am excited to listen to this. I have heard snippet of it in the reels, but I am excited to watch the entire video. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go.
शादी कर सकते हैं।
क्वीन विक्टोरिया की तरह।
क्वीन विक्टोरिया की तरह कैसे दिख सकती हैं आप तो वैसे ही लगेंगी मलिका तिल फरेब।
किसमिस यारा लाई मस्कारा अखियां लगाई रखना किसमिस यारा लाई मस्कारा लगियां निभाई रखना हम रहेंगे यूं ही बैरिया किसमिस यारा लाई मस्कारा अखियां लगाई रखना किसमिस यारा लाई मस्कारा लगियां निभाई रखना मेरी जान मेरी हाँ तेरे नाल नाल रहना मेरी जान मेरी हाँ तेरे नाल नाल रहना किसमिस यारा लाई मस्कारा अखियां लगाई रखना किसमिस यारा लाई मस्कारा लगियां निभाई रखना कि पागल हूँ मैं चाहत में मेरी जान मेरी हाँ तेरे नाल नाल रहना मेरी जान मेरी हाँ तेरे नाल नाल रहना किसमिस यारा लाई मस्कारा अखियां लगाई रखना किसमिस यारा लाई मस्कारा लगियां निभाई रखना
Her expressions are beautiful.
कहाँ से हो लाई ऐसी शोख अदाएं तुम्ही से बनी है ये तुम्ही को बनाए झूठे बहानों से चाहते जताए बाज ना आए जी कहाँ से हो लाई ऐसी शौक अदाएं तुम्ही से शिकायतें तुम्ही को दुआएं कहो जी मैं क्या करूं लाड जो आए समझ ना आए जी समझ ना
Beautiful. The composition, the lyrics, and especially the title of the song itself is so like fun because mascara is actually काजल का नाम भी होता है काजल या फिर हाँ काजल को भी मस्कारा कहते हैं एट द सेम टाइम मस्खरा जो बोलते हैं ना मस्खरा नॉटी और सेंस ऑफ क्या बोले फन जो बंदा बहुत मस्खरा होता है तो यूजुअली वी सॉ यूज इट एज अ एडजेक्टिव और अ क्वालिटी इन अ पर्सन कि बहुत मस्खरा है ठीक है मतलब फन है नॉटी है तो दैट इज like they are playing with that word. Okay, mascara is also a woman's, one of the because it says it makes your eyes look really big, and it makes you look like, usually the girls wear it to make your eyes look big, and at the same time look, fun, and someone who is full of life. At the same time, the word mascara is also something really very naughty, or who likes to have these fun moments in his life, in their lives, in short. So it's also addressing the male lead here, also the female lead here, and both of them are playing like this word is signifying both their qualities as a human being. That is really, really fun, and the way they did it is, I really enjoyed that. And this is my take on this song. Their chemistry is really nice, and Sharwari always stands out with her expressions. She's such a talented actress, and I'm telling you, also a very great dancer. We could see that here. She didn't do a great dance scene or anything, but there was a small moment where she was trying to recreate that scene, recreate the qualities or the way Vedang moves. She was trying to copy Vedang. The body language was so perfect, and then she was doing small things with her body, small things, like small subtle movements you can make out. If you are a dancer, you are, and a great actor, that then only you can actually pull off those small subtle gestures with your body. She did that. Her micro expressions, smile, this shoulder move with the पैर में मारने वाला move, that was awesome. I think this song stands out because of her, and also the innocence of Vedang Rana and his voice. Oh my god, when his voice kicked in, I was like instantly hit with it. And he sings from his soul. He has that soul and pathos to his voice, which really stands out every time I listen to him. This man is so pretty, and he's so innocent, and his casting is bang on. Their chemistry already looks very cute and adorable. Really, really enjoyed and the singer. Oh my god, I need to give it to Nilanjana Ghosh Dostidar. Right? She's the one. Yes, she was outstanding. Her voice, the tonal quality, and the way she was like rolling the words, mascara. There was this fun and naughtiness to it, and I like the fact that they went with this particular theme of being naughty and being fun when you're young, right? So that was wonderfully done. The singers did a great job. I really, really enjoyed this. Sorry if I messed up few things here and there. समझाने की मुश्किल होती है कभी कभार. तो yeah. Anyway, guys, let's react to the second song, which is वो नहीं. This is sung by Aditya R.K., Arman Khan and Sameer Khan. Music supervisor Hiral Viradia. Lyrics are by Irshad Kamil. This is again composed, produced and arranged by A.R. Rahman. Let's jump right into this in 3, 2, 1, go.
जो सर पर रह गया भूल जाओ उसे. चलो वापस.
आपके पैर पड़ता जाने दीजिए मुझे.
मैं जाऊँ.
During the partition.
शहर है, लोग हैं,
Wow.
भीड़ है, काम है, गुनगुनी धूप है, शाम है, मैं भी हूँ वो नहीं जो मेरे नाम है.
Oh my god.
शोर है, फिक्र है, मैं भी हूँ वो नहीं. है यही सच मेरा, है यही सच तेरा. नफरतों में मोहब्बत को ना भूलना. हाथ जो है उठा, गर्दने जो कटी, वो भी मैं, वो भी तू आदमी. नब्ज़ है, खून है, सांस है, जिस्म है जिंदगी जीने की, ये भला कौन सी किस्म है, नाम भी है मेरा, शक्ल भी है मेरी, दोनों में जो था मैं वो नहीं।
बिजली गिरेगी, जमीन में दो टुकड़े अलग बह जाएंगे।
Wow. That was a really powerful song, really powerful song, and sung beautifully by all the singers. It started off so slow and heartbreaking, and then it moved on to become such a poignant song. And along with that, the visuals, especially the cinematography of this particular video, is stunning. We have to give it to Imtiaz Ali and the cinematographer of this movie. The locations are all natural, which is very hardly seen nowadays in the movies. Most of the movies have green screen on them and it looks very weird, but this is all shot in real locations. Most of the locations that I can see are real locations. It looks so good, so good. Vedang Raina is killing it. This song belongs to him. We saw his journey from heartbreak to how a young man is processing the last moments of partition. He has to move away from the person that he loved, from his families most probably, and what happened. That was heartbreaking to witness, and the way that was portrayed, the way he was showing his emotions, raw emotions. Oh my god, Vedang Raina killed it in this song. And I'm telling you, this movie belongs to Vedang and Sharwari, definitely. Great job. What a composition, what a music video and a song. After a long time, I'm listening to a great, this is a signature A.R. Rahman kind of music, and I'm glad that he's back finally. Let's react to the third song, which is Kya Kamal Hai. This is sung by Diljit Dosanjh. Lyrics are by Irshad Kamil and composed, produced and arranged by A.R. Rahman. Let's jump right into this. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go.
ये हो सकता है अपने दिल के अंदर एक लड़की को रखना जिसे 78 ईयर से देखा तक नहीं है।
ये चेहरे महके हैं,
Oh wow.
ओ ये नगमे बिखरे हैं, ओ ये दिल फरेब सी है रौन के जहां, दिल फरेब है ये सारी ही चाहते जहां, ना कोई वफा ना बेवफा है यहाँ, ना कोई जुदा ना गुमशुदा है यहाँ। क्या कमाल है, क्या कमाल है, ना मुसीबतें ना मलाल है।
Wow.
सारा जग ये लगता दुख से खाली, रंगाली खुशियों में खुशहाली।
Wow.
सारे सद
chills.
में रहते अपनी हद में, ये कद में छोटे फूलों से भी छोटे, दुखों वाले सिक्के खोटे, छोटे फूलों से भी छोटे, सिक्के दुखों के सभी के खोटे, ना चलते थे ना चलते हैं यहाँ, ना कोई वहम ना बेरहम है यहाँ, ना कोई जुल्म ना ही जख्म है यहाँ। क्या कमाल है, क्या कमाल है, ना शिकायतें ना सवाल है। यारा सुन ले ओ यारा, झगड़ों का मारा बेवजह सारा जलता जहां तेरा मेरा है मिलके बचाने से, ना शराफतों का जवाल है, ना मोहब्बतों का काल है। ओ क्या कमाल है, कमाल है, क्या कमाल है, कमाल है।
मैं वापस आऊंगा।
Damn, that hit me so hard. Wow. Wow. I think that is my favorite song out of the entire album. And I didn't even imagine that it can get better, but it started getting better. Mascara was like awesome, but then they brought in Wo Nahi, which was so mesmerizing, and then this song, I didn't expect this song to hit this hard. Oh my god, Diljit's one of the best songs Diljit has ever sung. This is how you use a singer's talent to his best potential. A.R. Rahman sir knew the assignment and he delivered. And how Diljit put his soul and heart into this song. It started off soft and slow, but as it went by, it started going higher and higher and higher. It became so powerful and intense, and it hit all the right chords. Oh my god, Diljit Dosanjh Paji, तुसी ग्रेट हो, तुसी कितना चंगा गाते हो यार, बहुत ही प्यारा गाना है. Amazing album so far, one of my favorite albums this year. Guys, let me know down below in the comment section which is your favorite song out of all the songs you have heard so far. Like, subscribe and share the love. Until then, ciao.